What's happening, fellas? What do we have here? Is it a mini tank? Is it a mini cannon? Is it a mini amphibious vehicle? No, it's a snow job. If you haven't seen one of these, there are videos on the internet, and this thing is designed to be hooked to either a 3-cylinder Kawasaki or a 4-cylinder 1000. You actually mount the motorcycle right on here. Jeff, tell us a little bit about this thing. This is one of Jeff's toys.
It's from 1972. You could buy these from your Kawasaki dealer. These sold for $1,300 back in '72, which was probably quite a bit of money.
Yeah, it's like $5,000 today.
So you could put it, whatever motorcycle, they advertised it with an H1 on it, and you can go online and look up 1972 motorcycle / snow job, and you can watch a video of a guy riding one of these with a H1 on it. Now you put your motorcycle on here, and this is a torsion bar. So it springs back and forth. So you sit on the bike, you put your feet here, and you take the front wheel off the bike, and this goes on the front.
This mounts right where your front wheel would go through your
here's your axle, front axle right here.
Yeah, that's your front axle, goes right through there.
And
Now it's essentially a snowmobile.
Yeah, I had a GS1000 on it, which I had it all on there and running, but I never got a chance to ride it because I needed a frame for one of your bikes. So I stole the frame off the 1000, and now I don't have a bike on it anymore.
So the H1 is a Kawasaki triple. I suppose an H2 would fit on here also, right?
Yeah.
Imagine having an H2 750 snowmobile. How badass would that be? With a set of Denko pipes on it or something? Or like Jeff said, he had a GS1000 on here. So pretty much any universal Japanese motorcycle from the 70s.
Yeah.
You want a 500 or larger to pull all the weight. But think about a GS1000 with 80 horsepower on here. This thing would be an absolute hoot.
The company that made these, they only made them 1 year, and then the company went out of business. So this thing is very rare.
Very rare piece. Looks like it's well made. As far as getting parts manufactured for, it's just steel tubing and sprockets. There's not that much to it, I don't think. The tracks appear to be in good condition also, as is the rear bumper. I don't think it's ever been crashed or abused, but it's definitely an antique and definitely a conversation piece. Got a little bit of degradation on the edge of the rubber track here, but the rest of it looks pretty tight. I'm sure you can get tracks made for it if you were going to run it. Certainly is a cool museum piece restored with a bike on it. It would be quite the conversation piece. Jeff, how long have you owned this thing?
17 years.
17 years, wow. Where'd you get it from?
A friend of mine, when I first opened my shop in '03, a friend came by with it in his truck and left it at my shop and said, do what you want with it. And it's been there ever since.
Wow, cool piece, man. Again, it's Snow, S-N-O-W, Job, J-O-B. And if you Google, what was the URL for the video?
Yeah, 1972 motorcycle / snow job. And you can watch, there's a few videos on YouTube of people riding these things.
Maybe I'll pin the video in the comment section so you guys won't have trouble finding it. But it's all there, guys. Definitely is a really cool piece. If you have any questions about it, call us 860-454-7024. We'll help you with the shipping. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.